In this Excel certification exam, we have the following question. On the quarter 4 sales worksheet, add the December data to the chart. If you click on the chart, you will notice immediately there are some lines surrounding the data, as well as the legend. There are two ways to add December data to the chart. Once you click on the chart, point to the right edge here until the mouse change, and then click and drag. After you release the mouse, you will see that December data added to the chart immediately. Leave the mouse. There we go. The second way is to use chart tools feature. So I'm gonna click Control Z to undo. Click on the chart and you will see chart tools bar here. Click on design, select data. A window pop up like this. On the legend, click add, series name, click on December, and on the value, make sure to delete this and click on the value and highlight and click OK. Now if you notice here on the horizontal category, see 1, 2, 3, 4, but if you click on October, you will see computer and the category name. You can modify it by going to December, click edit, and you highlight the items. Click OK. Now all 3 months have the same horizontal category label. Click OK. Thank you for watching.